Oil opened today's session with mixed dynamics. The prices are struggling to hold near the previously reached highs. Traders remain cautious, waiting for more clues regarding the prospect of US-China trade deal. The ruble is holding strong against the US dollar. Concerns about the oil demand continue to influence traders, so market participants are watching closely the consequences of a trade dispute. The news about a possible finalizing of a trade deal boosted market sentiment. On Saturday, during a telephone conversation between China's Vice Premier Liu He and US Secretary of the Treasury Steven Mnuchin, the parties discussed the signing of the Phase 1 agreement. Last week, Brent crude oil gained more than 1% due to the number of background factors. For instance, the Baker Hughes report showed that there was a decrease in the number of US operating oil rigs. Moreover, oil investors reacted positively to the statement of the Russia's president. At a press conference after the BRICS summit, Vladimir Putin confirmed his intention to cooperate further with OPEC to stabilize the oil market. Meanwhile, the forecast of International Energy Agency regarding the possible increase of oil production in non-OPEC countries continues to weigh on oil prices. Brent crude has retreated from Friday's high and is currently trading at $63.38. To continue the upward trend, the price needs to hold above the level of 63. Otherwise, the Brent quotes may retreat to the level of 61. The news about the progress of trade negotiations between the US and China raised optimism in the global financial markets and gave momentum to the currencies of developing countries. The ruble closed last week with 0.33% gains against the US dollar. The data from the US Ministry of Commerce did not provide any additional clues, so the pair is trading mainly sideways this time. Today, the dollar-ruble pair is holding near the level of 63.76, where it ended the trade on Friday. The ruble is expected to trade in the narrow range during the day due to the lack of new drivers. No important macroeconomic news is expected in the short term. The reports from the ECB and Fed meeting are due to be published later during the week. So geopolitics will continue to determine the mood of financial markets, with the trade talks staying in the spotlight. The ruble's trajectory will mainly depend on the progress in the trade negotiations. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and have a great trading day. Bye.